In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use messages on LinkedIn. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. LinkedIn is a powerful platform for networking and building professional relationships, and knowing how to effectively use the messaging feature can greatly enhance your interactions. First, go ahead and log into your LinkedIn account. Once you're on the main page, take a look at the search bar located at the top of your screen. This is where you can initiate a search for the person you want to contact. Type in the name of the individual you wish to reach out to and hit enter. You'll see a list of search results that match your query. Find the person you're looking for and click on their name, which will take you directly to their personal LinkedIn profile. This is also a great opportunity to familiarize yourself with their background and work. On their profile, you should see the message button. This button is usually displayed prominently, making it easy for you to start a chat. However, there is an important consideration here. To send direct messages to users who are not in your connections, you will need a premium subscription. If you don't have this, don't worry, there are still ways to engage with the person. In that case, consider leaving a comment on one of their recent posts instead. This can be a great way to initiate a conversation in a public space. When you comment, make sure your tone is professional and engaging. If you feel that the discussion has potential to move to a more private setting, you might suggest taking the conversation to email or another platform within your comment. This way, it creates an opportunity for further dialogue without requiring a premium account. Now, when you're ready to send your message, make sure to type it clearly. A well-structured message can make a big difference in how it's received, so keep your tone professional to build a good rapport. A personalized greeting and a concise introduction about why you're reaching out can go a long way in making a connection. Once you've crafted your message or comment and you feel satisfied with it, simply click the send button to deliver your message or post your comment. After that, you're done. Remember to give the recipient some time to respond. Networking is about building relationships, and a thoughtful approach can often lead to fruitful interactions and meaningful connections. Using LinkedIn's messaging feature effectively can open many doors for you professionally, so take your time to navigate it well. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in mastering the art of messaging on LinkedIn.